Hi, here is BOGONG laser. Today I will show you our two-set fiber laser cutting machine. You can see this one. This one is our open type laser cutting machine. The cutting area is 600 and 500 millimeter. That one is our enclosed type fiber laser cutting machine, also with the small cutting area. They can up to 600 and 600 millimeter. This machine with the vertically laser source and the reduced laser height can choose the both laser height. Also, we have other small fiber laser cutting machine like the 300 and 200 millimeter. So if you want the small laser cutting machine, contact with BOGONG laser.